Hello, merhaba Jora. I hope it works now. I think, yes, it is working. So I will start in 5 minutes. Just I need to, record my lesson. And now I will share my link on Twitter for people to see it. 1 second, just wait for me. For 1 second, wait. Where is my Twitter account? Okay, Twitter. Oops. And by the way, you can call your people to come and join us and learn Kurdish with us. Yes, we are here. We will study together tonight. 1 second. Oops, my connection is really heavy. Oops. Okay, we are starting. Good. Nice. Okay, let's start. So you see me. I hope you see me well, right? Okay. Tamam. Now, today we will speak about past simple and present perfect. So we will compare them. Actually, I will call this part volume 1, first part, because in this lesson, in this live session, we will learn only with intransitive verbs. Because you know, in Kurmanji, when we speak about past tenses, we have to remember ergativity. So in this part, we will study with intransitive verbs, and I hope that I will make another session in this month, and it will be with transitive verbs. So let me see what people do with our account on our YouTube, because there should be some comments. Now, okay, I am here. People are watching me. It's strange to be watched, by the way. Tamam. So now I will share my screen. Where is my, yes, here. I made a very nice slide for you. Now share screen. And here, yes, oops. Here, I hope you can see my screen. Yes, so it is here. So this lesson, this live session is called simple past tense versus present perfect tense. As I said, it will be for intransitive verbs. I hope you know what intransitive is. So intransitive verbs mean when a verb cannot take a direct subject, it means it's intransitive. So for example, you can see I see you. There is an answer for what you see. So it means to see, the verb to see, it's a transitive verb. But when you say I go, you cannot ask what you go. So the main question is to be able to ask question what. But for chuyin, I mean for to go, you cannot say what you go or what you come, what you die, what you smile. Okay, so you can say where you go, where you come, but not what. So chuyin, to go, to come, to die, to smile, they're not transitive, they're intransitive. Okay, so it's our first part. And now, so you see the conjugation of intransitive verbs. But here first, affirmative form will be given. So you see our first verb is chun, which means to go. And past tense is here chu. Let's see conjugations for simple past tense and then present perfect. So for simple past, you say as chum, tu chuyi, ew chu, em chun, hun chun, ew chun. So you see chum, chuyi, for third person singular, you don't need to add anything. It's only like stem, chu, chu. And for plural, it's the same, em hun, ew chun. As chun, tu chuyi, ew chu. Em chun, hun chun, ew chun. But for present perfect tense, it will be a bit different. You will say as chu me, tu chuyi, ew chuye, em chune, hun chune. Okay. Look, chum, simple past, but chume, present perfect. Chuyi, chuyi. They are same, yes. So in this case, you will check the context, okay, to understand which tense. But for third person, he, she, it, you see chu, chuye. chun, chune, chun, chune, chun, chune. So it's our conjugation for affirmative form. Now let's see another verb. For example, hatten. It means to come. So you say in the simple past, es hatem, du hati, eu hat, em hatten, hun hatten, eu hat. Es hatem, du hati, eu hat, em hatten, hun hatten, eu hat. It is simple past tense. But for present perfect, you will say es hateme, du hati, eu hatie, em hattene, hun hattene, eu hattene. So as hatem I came, as hateme I have come. Du hati, du hatie. Eu hat, eu hatie. Em hatten, em hattene. Hun hatten, hun hattene. Okay? Be careful about this ending. Hateme, hati, hatie. But simple past. Hatem, hati, hat. Okay? But yes, we say simple past, I came, but present perfect tense, I have come. But what does really this mean? What is difference between I came and I have come? At least in Kurmanji. So I made a very short list for you where to use this simple past and present perfect. So these two differences, then these are main differences between these two tenses, okay? Simple past and present perfect. So when you use simple past tense, it means you use simple past tense with a specific time, okay? At least mostly. And what you used with simple past tense, it means you experienced it or you witnessed, okay? You did or you saw the action. But for present perfect tense, so you can use present perfect tense with ever, never. Like, I have never been there. I have never read. You can use in Kurmanji as well this way. And when you use present perfect, it means you didn't see the action. You were not a witness of this action, okay? Now I will make this clear. So what all this stuff means: to witness, to experience, to use a specific time, to use ever, never. Let's go an example. So I wrote the same example with these two tenses. First for these examples is with simple past tense, and the other one with present perfect tense. So you can say eu beriya 10 salan çu Amerika'ya. Eu beriya 10 salan çu Amerika'ya. So çu, our verb here, you see it is simple past tense çu. So this sentence means when this guy, this he or she, was going to USA, you were there. You saw when he took the airplane. Okay, when he left house. So you saw with your own eyes when he or she went. Okay. Because it's simple past tense. You were witness of this event. You were there, okay? But if you say, eu beriya 10 salan çuya Amerika'ya. Çuya, you see it's our present perfect tense. Çuya. Eu beriya 10 salan çuya Amerika'ya. So it means you didn't see when he or she or it was going to us, okay? Probably you heard from someone that he went there. Maybe you read a letter from him that he is there now. Or maybe just, I don't know, just you heard from someone or you read somewhere, someone told you, okay? But you are not the witness of this event. You didn't see when he was or she was going to America, okay? Çuye. Chu. Don't forget, it's very important, okay? Chu, chuye. If I say, أوچو, it means I saw when he was going, okay? أوچو. But if you say أوچوية, it means, okay, she went or he went, but I didn't see when he was going or leaving, okay? Just chu chuya, be very careful. Chu chuya. To be witness means this, okay? And our next, where's my next? This, okay, we did this and this one, okay. There is another example here. So you see, Hevalen bavemen do hatten malame. Hevalen bavemen do hatten malame. So Hevalen bavemen, my father's friends, do yesterday came our place, our home. So you see it here, it is hatten. So it is in simple past form. So it means when these friends came to home, I was at home and I saw them. Okay, I saw them and maybe I spent time with them, but I was with them. I was with my father. Okay, but if you say hevalen bavemen do hatne malame hatne present perfect. So it means maybe your mom told you that friends visit your father, or your father told you, or just you heard from someone, but you were not at home, okay? Hevalen bavemen do hatne malame. So you know these tense, these present perfect tense is used when you gossip, okay? Because when you gossip with someone, so you say, I heard, like I read somewhere, someone told me about someone, something. So you can use all the time present perfect. It means you are not the witness of the action. Just you heard from someone. You don't take the responsibility. Just you say, so I just heard or read somewhere that this thing happened. Okay. So Hevalin Bavim Dohat Malame, they came, these friends came to our place, our home. Hevalin Bavim Dohat Malame, okay, have come to our home yesterday. Continue. Let's see. Next example. Yes, so here there is another verb. The main verb is mir here, mirin to die. So let's read first example. Min dit ko mere juan mir. Min dit ko mere juan mir. Okay. I saw that the young man died. Okay. I saw with my own eyes, that this guy died. Okay, so you can use simple past. You were there, you saw, you are a witness of the action. So you have to use simple past. Okay. But if you say Min behist ko mere juan marie. So behist means to hear, okay? So I heard that the young man has died. So you didn't see when he was dying, okay? But you heard the result from someone, okay? For example, someone told you, your friend, your family, just you read somewhere, I heard that this guy has died, okay? Min behist ko mere juan maria. So be careful. If I say min dit, you cannot say min dit maria. Actually, if you say min dit maria, it means he died and then you saw it. You didn't see the moment of dying or killing. No. I hope you understand me. So here, Mandit ko mere juan me. I saw that the young man died. Okay. Or man behist ko mere juan Maria. I heard that the young man has died. Okay. Now let's give 2 seconds break. I just want to see if someone write comments here. 1 second. Here. Oh, not this one. Oh, where's my here? I am here. Can I see here? Let me see if there is. Oops. Oh, here. Great. People are here. Oh, many people. Don't be scared to speak. Wow, very nice to see. Wow. Slav, Chawai, I'm fine. Thank you so much. I live in Mardin. I live in Mardin as well. Slav, you. I'm from Kurdistan. Sir Chawa. Nice to meet you. Me too, Lisa. Lisa, I can. Okay, people speak to each other. I'm so glad that I'm working. Okay, fine. Tararan. I think there is no any question for now. So I will check this part at the end of my session. So till here, I hope it's clear. So by the way, Marin means to die. We conjugate Marin in the simple past as Marim, to Mari, Elmer, Emrin, Hunmarin, Elmarin. And in the past, in the present perfect, you will say as Marima, to Marie, Elmaria, as you see here, Elmaria, Emrine, Hunmarine, Elmarine. Okay. Now let's continue with our. Okay, and here you see negative form. Okay, so here our verb is meren, to die, and past tense is mer. So in the simple past tense, if you want to make it negative, you will say as nemeren, to nemeri, au nemer, am nemeren, hu nemeren, au nemeren. Okay, easy. Just you will put ne here. Nemerem, nemeri, nemer, nemeren, nemeren. Simple past tense. But with present perfect tense, you say as nemerme. I haven't died, okay? Tu nemri, au nemrie, am nemrene, hu nemrene, au nemrene. Okay? Let's repeat. For simple past as nemrem. As nemreme. Tu nemri, au nemer, au nemrie, am hun au nemren, am hun au nemrene. Okay? Don't forget, we have to write these negative tense prefix together with verb, okay? Together, nemrime. Okay, now let's see examples. Where are my examples? Oh, here. So here you see Zaharoken one nemr. Zaharoken one nemr. First sentence is for present. No, it is simple past tense nemren. And second one, Zaharoken one nemren is for present perfect tense. So if you say Zaharoken one nemren, it means you saw while their children were fighting, okay? But they didn't kill each other, okay? No one died, nemren. So you see when they didn't die, okay? Nemren. But if you say Zaharoken one nemren, it means you didn't see why they were fighting each other, okay? But just, and then fight end, and someone told you that their children haven't died. Okay? You heard from someone. You were not the witness of the action, okay? It's very important, guys, to witness of the action. No. Now, we will read a very, very short story. First part with simple past tense, and then I wrote the same story with present perfect. Okay, so let me read first these. Oh, 1 second, what's going on? No, oops, it is. Oh, no. Okay, so first part. Nave we Ahmed bu. أو خندكار بو أو شو زاننجه جلك درسين وي هبون زاننجها وي دور بو باشا أو هاتمالي أو راكت. So now we Ahmed Bu. His name was Ahmed Bu. Okay, past simple. Now we Ahmed Bu. أو خندكار بو. He was a student. So you know, probably you know Ahmed, that you can say that he was a student. Okay, you know with your own information, not from someone. You didn't hear from someone else. Okay. أو شو زاننجه. He went to the university. زاننجه is university. أو شو زاننجه. You see here the verb chewing is our to go chewing, and we for third person singular we say أو شو. أشوم تشوي أو تشو. أوكي. وقال لك درسين ويهبون. He had many lessons. قال لك درسين ويهبون. Okay. Probably if you say قال لك درسين ويهبون, it means once Ahmed came and told you that he had many lessons. Okay. You know from him, not from someone else. And next lesson, next sentence. زانجهاوي دوربو. His university was far. زانجهاوي دوربو. باشي أو هتمالي وراكت. And then Pashe, he came home, hat, okay, past simple. He came home and slept, okay, went to sleep. So you see here all works with simple past. Raket, hat, bu, hebun, chu, bu. ناوي أحمد بو أو خندكار بو أو شو زاننجه قال لك درسين ويهبون زاننجها ويدور بو باشي أو هتمالي وراكب. It's for simple. It is in simple past tense. This text. But if you want to say the same text with present perfect, so you will say ناوي أحمد بويا أو خندكار بويا أو شوية زاننجه قال لك درسين ويهبونه زاننجها ويدور بويه باشي أو هاتية مالي وراكتية. So if you say بويه شوية هبونه هاتية راكتية, all these stuffs means that you it means not Ahmed, but someone else told you about all these details, okay? So when you say أو شوية زاننجه شوية, it means maybe Ahmed's mom told you Ahmed went to the university. But when you say أو شو زاننجه, it means you saw with your own eyes, or Ahmed told you, okay? I mean, you are the witness of the action, but not someone else. If you say chuye, it means you didn't see while he was going to university. Okay? أو chuye زاننجه. وقال لك درسين ويهبونه, like he had many lessons. قال لك درسين ويهبونه. زاننجها ويدور بويه. His university has been far. باشي أو هاتية مالي. Then he has came to home. أو هاتية مالي وراكتية. Then has slept. Okay. أو راكتية. So you see the main differences between simple past and present perfect. So some people call these mediative. Okay, so when you say mediative, it means you are not the witness of the action. You heard from someone, read from somewhere, I don't know, but you are not the witness of the action, as you see here. أو شو زاننجه. أو شو زاننجه means he went to the you saw while he was going. But أو شو زاننجه, he has gone. Okay, he has gone to the university. Probably you heard from someone else. So let me see. Yes, this text we conjugated verbs. We saw some sentences. I showed you how to use negative form, affirmative form, some examples, and I think that's all for this session. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your patience. Let me see if we have any questions from on YouTube. Let me see. Oops, what is here? No. No. How? Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. How do we? Here, I found it now. Where's my different? Not this one. This restream makes me crazy. I don't know how to type live chat. Let me see. Okay, is this for? Okay, let me see. Okay, here. People are fighting. Very nice. Okay, I think there's no questions here. If there is no questions, I will close. I will finish the session. I think that's all for today. Yes, around 25 minutes. It's cool. A long session. Yes, one of you say, is this present perfect used to tell stories? Yes, most of the time, because when we tell about stories, we 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 don't speak about our experiences. Okay, we see what we heard. We say what we heard. Lisa, I have to go. I have to sleep. I have lessons tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay, thank you so much. I don't know what is this. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great night. You can write your questions as a comment. I will try to answer them, and I will share these notes on my Medium account, on my Patreon, everywhere. So thank you so much. Have a great night. Galaxy Class. Malawa Awadam Bash. Bye. Okay, let me stop share. See you. And